Prof. Niaje baba?
Poa.
Au kwa poa sana mazee, umepotea sana. Job iko aje?
Job iko fiti.
Aha.
Kwa sababu tunakula lunch, karibu lunch.
Na nasikia uko lunch
Napiga lunch mbaya.
Quick one.
Yeah.
Are you at the workshop?
Of course yes.
Uko kwa workshop
Workshop
No, I have a car that I'm bringing to you that will silence all this noise you make about Subarus, new age stuff and all that.
Come again.
Nakwambia, there's a car that I'm bringing to you that can beat any Subaru that you try to put across. I'm coming to silence you and your talk of Subarus, new age, best brand. I am coming.
You know what? Even before you talk too much, I already know which car you are talking about.
Really? Which car am I talking about?
You're talking about ST5 first generation type UK. I know you with ST5.
Bro. Sisi we are building the country. Sasa tunaongelelea sasa mambo ya economy, mambo ya kusave, mambo ya kutafuta pesa. That does not go well with Subaru.
True.
Unaelewa?
So hii si Subaru unaniletea, lakini ni gari yenye yani sielewi.
Mimi nakuletea gari yenye it can beat any Subaru that you try to bring across, okay?
GTR.
Weka ningoje kama kwa workshop ningoje.
Niko hata hii lunch sasa simalizi. Ama hata nimalize haraka ndio nikuwe hata kama ni shock kinishika. Nashikwa na shock nikuwe nimeshiba.
Sawa, wacha nikuje.
In how long?
In like 20 minutes I'll be there.
Karibu my friend.
Sawa.
Karibu.
All right. Prof mwenyewe. Niaje? Unakuwa busy sana?
Kiasi tu.
What's happening?
Kiasi naona vitu zako hapa.
Okay.
Naona vitu zako hapa inakuwa unajua hapa ina running hii.
Yes.
Hii
Mini Morris. Yes. With the EJ 20K.
Okay.
Yes.
Hapa inakuwa ina run, unajua ni boosted shift gun. Inakuwa hivyo.
Yes.
Umenisumbua sana. I was eating. Nimemalizisha shughuli
zangu. Lunch yangu iko wapi?
Lunch tulimaliza. Lakini tunaweza tukakuitishia hapo.
Okay. No. Nimeingia. Sijui kama umeniona kwa kamera?
Sijakuwa nikiconcentrate sana na kamera. Nilikuwa tu shughuli fulani.
Funguo ndio hizi.
Kuna mteja ameingia. Naona kapika hapo kameingia hapo saa hizi. Nilikuwa nataka kutoka nimuongeleshe. Alafu ni
huwa sio mteja. Ni mimi. Funguo ndio hii.
Wewe ndio umeingia na hiyo pickup
Suzuki.
Hiyo ndio ulikuwa unaniambia?
Ndio hiyo.
Ala. Nadhania ni mteja. Nadhania
bado ni mteja.
Kama ikiingia
bado ni mteja.
What do you want us to do on this? Hiyo ndio tufanyie nini?
This. Nakwambia hakuna Subaru inaweza toa this car.
In terms of what?
In terms of fuel economy, in terms of luggage carriage, in terms of all round, let me call them the K trucks. You know the K trucks?
Yes, the K trucks, yes.
Yes. Because when you talk performance, every time you tell me technology,
hakuna Subaru inaweza toa hii gari.
In terms of being a K truck, in terms of having good fuel consumption.
Yes.
Like the one this car has. Hata sijakwambia ni gari gani. In terms of carrying luggage, hii gari inaweza. And in terms of pia comfort,
ugliness.
not ugliness, comfort. Kuja. Hii gari inaitwa Suzuki
Super Carry Turbo.
Suzuki
Super Carry.
Yes.
Okay.
This is what I want to show to you. Sana wa biashara, like what you are having here.
Short wheelbase.
Exactly.
I can see it's a short
so,
wheelbase.
When mimi mteja akikuja, you are bringing your parts rather than nitumie msewa boda.
Kagari kameendea haraka, kamekimbia inda, kameleta engine
2 3.
Inaweza beba? Itabeba.
Bro.
Engine na gearbox ya Subaru zimeshikana.
Itabeba pale nyuma. Najua SJ umezoea sana kuvunja gearbox. Pale nyuma itabeba gearbox ya SJ. Hapa mbele engine ya SG9 2.5 na rackets.
Kanaka ni truck kama ni lorry ama ni pickup ama ni nini?
Now this is a truck.
It's a truck.
It's a truck.
How many cylinder?
It's
how many
Suzuki Super Carry.
Suzuki Super Carry.
Yes. This is a 2-cylinder.
2-cylinder?
2-cylinder. 790cc.
790cc.
Alafu sipendi venye unaanza kucheka sijui ni unacheka nini.
Serious. Hiyo gari yenyewe ndio ninafanya. Na iangalie hivi naona tu kicheko mbele yangu.
I don't know why you are laughing. Karibu sikia. Karibu sikia.
My friend.
Comfort.
Hii sitakanyaga hivi tuone na mguu mmoja.
No, just start it.
No clutch inhibitor switch.
No.
Without ina start bila ku clutch in.
Exactly.
So steering ni kubwa kweli kweli. Okay.
Yes. So maybe, now these are 790cc. It is called the Suzuki. Angalia.
2-cylinder.
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 Here is where the juice comes in. 2-cylinder diesel.
Engine iko hapa, si ndio?
Ndio hiyo. Fungua.
Haka umekatoa wapi? Yenyewe ni 2-cylinder.
2-cylinder.
Na kana guruma kama diesel ama na guruma?
Actually ukigurumisha ufeel sana. Maybe when you are at low speeds, it's diesel. It's diesel.
Ngoja. Hii gari umeitoa wapi?
This car nimepatiwa na my good friend anaitwa Mustafa Rob's Magic.
Ile Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think he says these cars he imports and no wonder.
Tunaona
pockets.
Tunaona.
Pockets nini. Hizi ni yeye amefanya.
Yeye ndio amefanya hizi because as you can see yes.
Pockets nini.
Hii customization yake ni yote. So now these are 790cc. So very tiny engine. 2 cylinders. So that is 2 pistons. Diesel. 5-speed manual. Yes.
STI, short shift
hapo. Short shift.
Kako na radio? Naona hizi za kuwekewa ama?
No. Hizi yeye ndio ameinstall.
Okay.
Akaweka hizi, akaweka tuners.
TJM equipped.
Ndio
Rob's Magic.
So hata ukiangalia miguu
naona iko na offset.
Exactly. Because shift gun.
Okay.
Yes. Now,
what do you want us to do on this car? Sawa, nimeona hizo zote.
Ngoja pole. So all that 2-cylinder engine is mated on your 5-speed manual.
Yes.
Guess how much it's providing? It's coughing out in terms of horsepower.
Horsepower maybe it should be around 20. So hey, 2-cylinder. Sasa unacheka nini?
No, it's above 20. 32 brake horsepower.
32 bhp.
32 bhp from a 2-cylinder. 32 bhp. 78 newton meters of torque.
At what rev?
2000
revs.
Yes, but now for that you'll have to be a good driver. You'll have to listen. You'll have to be one in the car. Yes.
Okay.
So that is what we have here.
Now.
Another thing, because I can see you're shocked.
Somehow.
Ndo nakwambia there is Kenwood. Yes. Another thing, because I can see you're shocked.
Yes.
This thing will give you 22 kilometers, 1 liter. the range of 22 kilometers, and diesel. Diesel is cheap than petrol.
Of course. In
so,
Kenya.
Yes, in Kenya. So the diesel. So the diesel is cheap, and you have a 22 kilometers. That's a long range of fuel.
Iki too. Is it practical? Is it practical?
You see?
Is it practical?
Nimekupigia.
Hizo vitu zote unaongea. Is it practical?
Nimekupigia. I come, pick you up.
Yes.
We go buy my hay.
Yes.
Unajua kuna vitu nimeweka kule. Buy hay. We drive the car. We fill the car. See how practical it is.
Before, as you're talking, unajua nashangaa nastuka. I'm also thinking something in my head.
Yes.
Because mimi ni mtu huwa pia sishindwi hivyo karibu. Ni rahisi. I'm thinking something.
I told you because I knew when I called you and I told you I'll bring you a car that no Subaru can beat. And you are thinking about performance.
You know, when you called me, ukiniambia unakuja unaleta gari sijaiona ama gari yenye Subaru haitashinda, mimi nakujua wewe unapenda Subaru Forester mzee. So I knew,
of course, all is gold.
Najua sana SG9 nini. I knew now you're bringing to me SG9 Type UK.
No.
SG9 Type UK sasa.
Suzuki Super Carry.
Suzuki which year?
This is 2019, 2020.
Shake my hand.
Zero mileage, bro.
Umekuja
Mustafa.
New age.
Zero mileage.
New age. Tumeshindana tukisumbuana na wewe. Wewe unapenda gari mzee.
It's new age, less technology. New age, less technology.
True.
Less technology means less problems.
Yes.
Because if you can see the dashboard, it's quite minimum.
I wish I would go
only
with you.
Pockets. Hivyo.
I wish I would go with you kununua hiyo hay, but umenipata nikiwa katikati ya
shughuli fulani. Fanya hivi just leave somebody in charge, turn to buy hay, discuss about the car. 1 hour nikurudishe.
Kweli?
Yeah. This is.
Yes, I do.
What is this?
This ni
it's a snorkel.
Yeah, snorkel.
Inatumiwa kufanya kazi gani?
Kuvuta hewa from above mahali kuko dusty ama mahali kuna maji.
Unaona venye imefichwa?
Imefichwa hapa kwa kichwa yake.
And how high it is.
Yes.
So hii gari unaweza ingia nayo kwa maji. Anyway.
Naitoke ikiwa sawa.
Naitoke.
Hii kichwa yake ni ya kuanguka ama ni
hapana.
Hii kichwa iko fixed.
Hii kichwa iko sawa.
So you are safe. Akaizi tip off na wewe.
Akaizi tip off.
Na hii ni ya kuinua ama ni kawaida kutoa tu na koleo.
Unatoa tu
na koleo.
Then look at the ground clearance.
Yes. The approach angle. Yes.
Although he has modified it.
Yes.
Even on its stock form,
yes,
the approach angle is way high.
Yes.
So
and the departure angle
and the departure angle, you can see.
Yes.
So all these, this gives you to access to.
By the way, you are serious. Gari ni diesel.
Diesel.
You are very serious. Gari ni diesel.
Very serious. Diesel only. So this gives you good. You can do very steep slopes.
Yes. And also disappear from the slopes.
Exactly. Comfortably. Prof.
Yes.
This is the Suzuki Carry.
Suzuki Carry.
Yes. Okay. And even before we get to all those stuff,
yes,
nikwambie nini, how do you feel the car? How is it driving?
My seat, well adjusted, my back, my headrest. My headrest is mabati yako, but it's okay.
Is it comfortable?
I like what I'm seeing. I am comfortable. Na naweza fika Mombasa.
Hii tunaweza fika Mombasa.
Naweza fika Mombasa.
So, the first thing about this car,
yes,
which is a surprise to me,
yes,
it is very comfortable.
Yeah.
Because you expect when you are riding,
yes,
because of the leaf springs, Numa, you're supposed to feel that the travel, the feedback,
yes,
it is not as much.
Yes.
So here,
yes,
I feel.
I can't feel it as well. Apart from lori zenye tunapitana nazo huko, kelele ya lori huko nje.
Yeah.
Nasikia gari iko silent.
The car is silent.
The car is silent. Hata huwezi jua ni diesel. Ukiwa hapa ndani. You cannot tell that this car is a diesel car.
Yes. Now,
nasikia a very small vibration, but I think because of the combination of independent suspension mbele,
yes,
na leaf spring nyuma,
yes,
kidogo it's normal kwa gari yoyote.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now when we come to the power,
Yes.
I was telling you about the power.
Yes.
Of course, if you want economy, you cannot have economy and power at the same time.
As
Pelekani.
Yes, one has to
Has to go.
Yes.
So now this 790cc
Yes.
is giving you 32 bhp. 32 bhp.
Yes.
And mind
you had mentioned that earlier on.
Vale.
Workshop. Yes.
Yes. And 32 and over 70 Newton meters of torque.
Yes.
And mind you,
Yes.
these are 2-cylinder diesel.
Yes.
5-speed diesel. 2-cylinder 5-speed diesel.
I don't know what I can equate that horsepower to, but initially I was skeptical. I was skeptical, but now nasikia niko ndani. Yeah, the power is there. The power is there.
0 to 100 will take about 3 months. But
nimekuangalia hivi nataka kusikia 0 to 100.
You know, we are talking about business and economy.
No drag race.
No drag race. Yes. 0 to 100 will take about 3 months. But economy, because you're buying this car for economy.
Yes.
Uko na mitungi zako za gas, uko na hay yenye tunaenda kununua saa hii.
Yes, yenye tunaendea.
Yes, you are not in a hurry.
Uko na cartons.
Exactly.
Unauza ma laptop, ma computer.
Exactly.
You want to do delivery.
Yes.
You need this car.
You need this car.
Yes.
Because you can see the cargo. So big. There is space.
Yes.
You can weka your stuff over there. Zikifika hapa juu unafunga. And like I was telling you,
yes,
the weight this car can move.
Yes.
The loading capacity is over a ton.
I don't believe.
Alafu
hiyo nimekataa.
Si tunaenda tuweke hay. Tunaenda tuweke hay and the car will move easily.
Yes.
You get?
Yes.
So if you want to do 0 to 100, no. Another thing when you're driving the car, if you have realized,
na uko 80,
niko 80 comfortably.
Gary is struggle.
It is not struggling.
Another thing, you're driving the car.
Yes. If you have realized,
yes,
you don't over rev.
Yes.
Because one, it's a small engine.
Yes.
Number two, it's a diesel engine.
Yes.
So if you over rev, unasikia it gets to a point where the car is, the torque curve or the power curve starts going down.
This is a short ratio.
Short ratio.
Yes, it's a short ratio different gearbox.
Yes.
Yes.
So what you do, 2000 revs,
yes,
chini. 2000 revs.
So in short, my friend, naangalia hapa sioni rev counter.
You don't
Lakini wewe umemaster.
You know?
Yaani umeshika, unajua mali ya 2000 revs iko kwa kichwa chako.
Exactly. Because when you're driving,
yes,
as a driver, you're supposed to be one thing with your machine. So ukisikia hiyo gari, there's some place you are getting to and the engine is a little bit noisier.
Yes.
You shift.
Yes.
You upshift.
Each and every gear has got its maximum
exactly.
output.
Yes.
If you exceed, you're now technically, as an like a technician.
Yes.
Technically.
Yes.
If you exceed that torque output, you start losing power.
Exactly.
I don't know when you notice two gari sasa imefika mahali. It is not increasing anymore. Now instead it is now retarding.
Exactly.
So you have to upshift.
Exactly.
Na pia ukifika mahali sasa umeanza kupanda mlima, ndio umechange up, ina start to vibrate, pia imeanza ku lose power, you downshift. In other words, even ndio anamaanisha, yani for a local ama mtu wa kawaida,
you master your rev.
You must now you must know where your rev gets to a limit, for you to downshift ama to upshift.
Yes, where to change the gear.
Yes. Perfect gear shift.
Exactly. Again, we are talking about matters economy, matters business, matters farming, not even farming. People you can use this to transport your cosmetics, your cosmetic shop.
Hata laundry. Unataka deliver manguo ama kwenda kupick manguo. By the way.
So if you're talking about dashboard and technology, hakuna. The dashboard.
Dashboard ndio hiyo.
The dashboard ndio hiyo.
Hapa sasa ni mahali pa kuwekelea kama masimu.
Unaekelea simu. Wallet hatuwezi ekelea hapo.
Wallet huwezi eka hapa, itaenda. Ina robbery. Itaenda.
So you can see you have nothing on your dashboard. Nothing.
Zero.
But I love what they're doing with the glove compartments.
Yes.
They are very deep.
Yes, they are very deep. You can put your stuff.
You can put your stuff here.
It's a bit shallow to hold your stuff.
Yes.
But cup holder, okay.
Cup holder.
Unaweza hapa labda improvise.
Yes, you can try and improvise, but it will be affected by the gear lever. Yes. Something else you need to note.
Yes.
Is you can adjust your lights.
Yes.
So it tells you. Yes. On off-road, ukiwekelea mzigo, you know, sometimes you tend to overload, then the cabin is lifted. When the cabin is lifted, you tend to mulika uko juu. So what you do now, you adjust the lights with this knob.
Okay.
Other than that, fog light. Yeah, fog light. You have your fog light.
There are things that are missing, my friend. There are very important things that are missing. Sijui mbona unaruka hiyo story. Wewe ndio airbag. Wewe ndio airbag. You are the airbag, my friend.
Let me tell you.
Yes. You are the airbag. SRS.
There is no airbag.
Yes.
So probably.
Please, endesha pole pole.
You see, we are going at 60. The safety rating of this thing.
Yes.
There's a time I was doing another review.
Yes.
And we talked about the safety rating of that car.
Yes.
It was close to an ostrich.
Oh.
But this one is, yes. This one is a little bit higher. It's safer because you don't have airbags, but you don't have the speed.
Yes, you don't have the power.
The power. Two-cylinder.
DSL engine.
Imagine.
Another thing na notice hapo my friend. Visor pande yako uko na visor, but on my side no visor. Because is it weight reduction ama ni nini?
It's not weight reduction. On your side,
yes.
Hapo ndo unabeba mtu wako mkono. He doesn't need to focus on what is going on there.
Okay.
He needs to focus on what is happening
up or behind.
Yes.
Inafaa kuwa anaangalia cargo.
Yeye anaangalia cargo.
Watu kama wana offload vitu.
Exactly. Mayai iko sawa.
Mayai iko sawa. Watu wajaruka huko juu.
Mimi ndio na focus.
You can see the cargo hapo. Yes.
Now, the other thing, because now you are talking about things that are missing.
Yes.
You've realized there are no AC vents.
Joto. No AC vents and no AC itself. Ama?
Exactly.
Nasikia joto sana hapa. No AC vents.
Yes.
Niambie. Hii gari najua umeielewa kindani.
Exactly.
Why are we missing those things?
Number one is because of cost. You have to save cost.
Yes.
Number two, because extra stuff means extra money.
Yes. Oh, in production.
Okay. Because these cars are very cheap.
Yes.
Number two, which is very important.
Yes.
You know the size of our engine.
Yes.
It's a 790.
790, yes.
790 cc.
Yes.
2 cylinders.
2-cylinder engine.
Anybody who has driven even for one day knows AC and power.
Yes.
If you have an AC, it will definitely affect your power output.
Yes, because you're tapping that power from the engine to drive the AC.
Yes, to drive the AC. It's basic physics.
Yes, basic physics.
So
elementary physics.
If you have AC on this tiny engine, you're going to lose more than 14 horsepower.
Oh.
You see?
You say the thing is how many horsepower?
This thing is 32 bhp.
32 bhp.
Yes, brake horsepower.
So when you put on a
if you dare put anything hapo at AC, you turn it on.
Umewasha
14.
Yani ulikuwa 80 km/h AC 40 in a downshift.
You get? So you sacrifice your cooling, your well-being kidogo.
Yes.
For you to attain economy.
Maximum power and economy.
Exactly.
From the car.
Finally.
Yes.
The best of the best.
Yes.
I saved it for this.
Yes.
Being a short ratio.
Yes.
One.
Yes.
Short ratio manual gearbox.
Yes.
Number two. It's a 5-speed.
Yes.
Number three. It is diesel.
Yes.
Number 4, it is tiny.
It is tiny.
Do you know what that translates to?
No.
The best fuel economy you can have.
Tell me about your fuel economy.
This thing will give you 22 kilometers per liter. To the liter.
Not on Earth. Not on planet Earth.
To the liter. 22 kilometers.
22 kilometers.
To the liter.
22 kilometers per liter.
Moja hivi.
Kidogo unanivutia.
Bro, tangu nichukue hii gari, I only put 300 worth of diesel.
Niangapi? Ukiromrom nayo.
And I don't switch it off.
Ani ukienda mahali unapiga una story, gari kana idle.
Because I have money like that. I have money like that.
Yes.
And it is 300 worth of fuel, 300 shillings worth of diesel.
Yeah.
I cannot switch it off. Why?
Yes.
We have money.
Yeah.
You get?
You are loaded.
I'm loaded.
Very, hata mafuta gauge iko hapa.
You know,
Goko.
This car, you can afford to fuel it like we pay school fees.
In 3 months.
In 3 months per term.
Oh, termly.
Ukishakaeka ni hivyo.
Unajua ile msimu mwingine next term. Ndio unakaeka and every day you are driving.
You drive it, you fuel it per season. So I am telling you.
Yes.
And by the way, thank you so much Mustafa.
Yes, Rob's Magic Mustafa.
Rob's Magic Mustafa. Shukran sana kwa kutupatia hii gari tufanye review.
Yes.
So I'm telling you.
Yes.
If you're a businessman.
Yes.
In Nairobi, in Meru, in Tanzania, Moshi, Dar es Salaam,
254,
in Kenya, in Africa.
Yes.
This is the car to go for.
No.
This
I have
is
another
the car
car.
to go for.
I have another car. You know, nimenyamaza tu all through
Unajua?
Ni sawa. I'll bring in my car in the next episode. Let people buy this car. Wacha umeisell, umesema kila kitu. I also have a Subaru.
Uko na shida moja prof.
Yes.
You never believe anything that comes from my mouth.
I will always believe. I will always believe because you are a man of your word. But I have to challenge it. Yes. Siwezi acha tu iende go unchallenged. I will have to challenge it.
This is it.
Yes.
If you are a businessman,
yes.
Farming, cosmetics, unauza computers, nini, this is the car to go for.
Umesahau watu wengine. Cricket team. Cricket team. Wanaweza toshea hapa.
Wanaweza toshea hapa.
Zao zote za cricket.
Yes.
So, why not buy this car?
Yes.
Patel. Why not buy this car?
You gonna buy this car here?
Yes, can fit no
problem.
Cricket team and even the bats can carry this.
Exactly.
Ukiwa pale pia wewe mtu wa kulima wewe tunajua ni mkulima fulani pale, hii gari iko sawa from what we've seen.
Yes.
Uko tao unafanya deliveries, unauza ma laptop, uko na laundry, unafanya sijui nini.
Yes.
That light cargo, biashara yote yenye ina involve ama ina entail lightweight cargo, you have a truck.
Yes.
Very soon I'll also be unleashing another vehicle yenye ni Subaru. Unajua in the beginning ameniambia sijui Subaru cannot sijui nini.
You cannot, bro.
I'll have another Subaru that will match this to this specification. This very specification.
Really?
I'll have it.
Really?
I'll have it.
We'll do this.
Yes.
Let the viewers decide.
Yes.
They have seen what we have.
Yes.
Tuende tubebe hii yetu.
Tuende tubebe hii, naona tunaingia macorrugation, tunaenda chini huku sijui wapi unanipeleka. But let's go and get the hay.